Well, Mother's outdone herself this morning. Look at them biscuits. This is a new recipe she's tried. We're going to have some, we call it fruit, applesauce. Well, just look at them. Light? Huh. All right. Morning. Mike McCoy here. Right at freezing. Just an absolutely beautiful day. Got a little snow last night. Hard to believe last week it was in the high 70s here. But and as you can tell, it's breaking up. It ain't gonna last long. I think it was, I forget how many years ago, right now they come at blizzards here. This is nothing compared to the blizzard. We might have, 2 inches at best. And it's just really pretty. A little bit of smoke coming out of my boy's house down there. And Mother's prepared for us. She's got a lot of wood here on the porch. There's my little dog. He's happy this morning. There's the other dog. She's deaf. She can't hear anything. I was going to put her down, and my son said, well, I'll at least give her a chance. She's about 10 years old now, I guess. My wife, she's a planting grass seed. Old people always said this is a good time to plant grass seed on snow. It did go down in the snow. So I guess we'll find out. Did you get her planted?
Yep.
Did you plant it all?
Yes.
It looks good.
I need another bag.
We'll run out there and get one if you want to.
Not right now. Let's go down to the sawmill.
Why?
I'm gonna go check see if my deer's out.
Well, I've just got on street shoes, Mother. Okay, I'll go. You've made me.
Let me go put your boots on.
No, I don't want you to go put my boots on. Do you put my boots on?
Yes.
How many years have you put my boots on?
Several.
3, 30, 40, how many? 42.
I'll freeze to death. You need to go put your boots on.
There's your old apple tree. The apples ain't no good on it no way, but it was a budding out. You can see the buds, but I don't think it was out far enough to really matter. There's her old cat. She died, and Mary Ruth fixed her a little grave there. Meanest old cat I ever seen. She's about a third bobcat. There's old plow. It'll never turn the soil no more. There's her old big burl. It's slowly but surely going away.
You better go back past your freeze to death.
I'll be all right. Am I a delicate flower? You may have to go get the truck and come get me. You reckon? Better pick up the pace and get beside you. Don't want to be too obedient. Look at her flares. Mother dug them up with the front end loader and brought them down here, and she didn't have a heart to throw them over the bank, just set them down. And they've both lived and thrived. They've been there probably 5 years, maybe 10. Well, ain't it pretty? Right peaceful. I like this time of year. Snow don't last real long. It's just pretty. Little brush pile there, we're gonna have to burn that. Mother's a fire bug. She likes to burn anyway, so it'll get burnt before long. There's her old pile of carts I was going to redo. It'll probably be right there the day I die. Hopefully way down the road, but you know. There's her firewood. She got a big old white oak log over in there. That's going to be interesting to bust that thing. But she's pretty tough. She can do it. What are you digging at?
Ice on the bottom of my shoe.
We put some stuff in that old loader. The back tire's been leaking down on it. It's got a plug in. It's probably 2 inches across. Put that green slime in it. So far, it's a hole. And boy, the old sawmill looks lonesome this morning, don't it? Little frost on the pumpkin. My cap door's open. Them little old wrens will have a bird's nest built in there by Monday if we don't get it shut. Mother's got a deer block up in there.
I don't see no deer.
They're probably piled up somewhere resting in this morning. I don't see no sign of anything being down here. There's some kind of track. I guess, no, that ain't even track. Ain't been nothing down at C&M Sawmill visiting since the snow fell last night. Just a snowy time. But it won't last long. See ye.